Welcome students. In today's class we shall be discussing about the site selection of drugstore. It is the foremost and the most important aspect because the rest of the business depends upon the location that we have chosen for opening up of a retail drugstore. So now first of all let us discuss what are the various factors on which the site selection for a drugstore depends. Number 1, the availability of finance. The finance that is available, we can say the capital here, it is the capital to be invested. Availability of finance is the most important factor. Sufficient finance and meager financial resources mainly factor on opening of a drugstore. It consists of capital to be invested and includes the infrastructure, purchase orders, purchasing we can say, and inventory control and many other aspects that are related. So, first of all the budget planning should be done effectively so that the estimate amount of capital to be invested is taken out. The next is business locality. It is preferable to open a drugstore in a business locality because a number of people visiting such locality is quite large. Now, the business locality students here means the commercial areas. The commercial areas are more beneficial rather than opening them in residential areas. So, always avoid the residential areas because sometimes the legal restrictions also do not allow to open retail pharmacy in the residential areas, and moreover the commercial areas are commonly visited by people. So, that side particularly is providing more chances of business success. The opening of a drugstore in such locality required a huge investment because high rent of and land price. Because of the higher rent and land price, the business localities they are generally not that much preferred, but if a person is able to invest such capital, then the business success is sure shot. Now, the next one is thickly populated residential areas. Such area is more preferable because people may buy required medicine during their evening walks. Previously, I had said to you that the residential areas are not preferred, but in the residential areas that are adjoining to commercial areas, they provide a bonus point for investment. Next is developing area. Nowadays in big cities, new localities are coming up very fast. So, ideal place is there. This particular place is required because the developing areas are having more opportunities for a business growth because there is very less competition from other retail stores. Due to less competition, they provide a better chance of business development. Drugstore will meet the needs of its customer by extending all types of facilities. Next is the hospital. It is the most preferred choice for opening up of a retail pharmacy store. Hospital and nursing home does not have its own drugstore and physicians have a good practice. Then it's ideal for one for opening a drugstore, and moreover hospitals also provide rental facilities for opening up of pharmacy stores in their own premises. So, hospital should be the first choice to open up a retail pharmacy store. Reason being because hospitals are generally visited by patients only. So, a good customer base is always present there. Next is the flow of traffic. Avoid the location with high traffic volume because such location near the traffic signals or the shops in the vicinity of these traffic signals which are near to the traffic lights has to face the parking problems. It is a major concern. So, due to less parking facilities, the customers would avoid such areas to visit, and ultimately there will be the less customer visiting your pharmacy store. Next is the parking. So it is generally preferred. While selecting the location of a drugstore in a busy shopping center, it must be enough parking space outside the drugstore. Now there must be an enough parking space outside a drugstore. In big cities, there are certain restricted areas where parking is not allowed to prevent obstruction in smooth traffic. Such areas are not idle. So prevent where there is an obstruction for traffic. Next is the drugstore. As far as possible, there should not be any competitor or already existing drugstores near your location. So if sales potential is good even from another store, then one can consider opening a new one. Already established markets provide an ideal place for opening up of a drugstore. Reason being, they provide a good potential for sales. Already in that particular area, the sales of drugs or medicines is quite high. So generally opening up a drugstore in such an high competition area can also provide good business opportunities. Now next, near to a hotel, school or seminar hall. These locations are not preferable. So never try to open your drugstore near a hotel, school or seminar hall. If the site is near to a restaurant, it may create problems of maintaining cleanliness. So in case of cold drinks or ice cream facilities also extended, then it is preferable to open a drug store near a cinema hall, because people buy drugs when they visit for a soft drink. This point refers generally because such places provide more customer footfall than other areas. So if the people are visiting a place oftenly or commonly, they must, some of them, or we can say only 5 to 10% of them must be having some kind of requirement for a medicine. So such people can easily visit a drugstore that is nearby to them. So opening up near a cinema hall can be preferable, but it is generally avoided. Now the additional factors that are dependent, the site should be well connected with various modes of transportation. This is important. Reason for, we can say, receiving the items or purchase orders, a good transport network is mandatory. The site has good surroundings. The environment around the site should be ideal, because it provides a good atmosphere and people love to visit such places. There should be no congestion of traffic. So the areas of high traffic volume should be avoided. The essential services such as bank, post office, warehouse must be available near the site. So it provides additional factors or additional facilities that can help to improve your business setup. The last one is the rules and regulations of municipal corporation or any other local authority does not come in the way of expansion of a drugstore. So it must be kept in mind while opening, that if in the near future your business grows exponentially, there is a huge growth in your business, but if the local authorities does not provide a way of expansion for your drugstore, then these places should be avoided, because in that case, even if you want to expand your premises of your drugstore, sometimes the local authorities or corporation does not give you permission for this. So this may lead to a stagnant growth, because without expanding your premises, the required customer volume cannot be attained. So students, this was about the additional factors and what were the various site location parameters. Now the next class we shall be discussing about the acquisition of a drugstore, how to acquisize the drugstore. So till then, revise and learn these concepts, as the next class will cover about the acquisition and layout of a drugstore.